You've just signed up for Movylo. Congratulations! I know what you're thinking. How do I start seeing results fast? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's activate your account in 3 simple steps. Step 1, enter your business info. This is the foundation. The more complete your info is, the easier it is for customers to find you, contact you, and trust your business right away. Step 2, configure your autopilot. Now, this is where the magic happens. The autopilot is like your personal marketing engine. It never sleeps, it never forgets, and it always knows when to reach out to your customers. It sends them the right messages at the right time to bring them back to your business automatically. Step 3, start signing up customers and grow your list. Here's the truth. Finding customers is always a challenge, but with Movylo, it gets easier. Connect as many sources as you can. Your website, your social channels, even in store. The bigger your list, the more powerful your autopilot becomes. And once your list is growing, Movylo will start converting those contacts into paying customers without you having to do the heavy lifting. That's it. 3 simple steps. Complete your profile, set up your autopilot, and start building your customer list. From there, Movylo takes over, turning signups into sales and sales into repeat business. You're ready to go. Fast, smart, and fully automated.